kynhun jong Jiva Resort kala Pynphuh pynphieng na kisinti kiskut ya ka khandai lat ka badai ka pedeng jong ka nong ba Shillong hene ka sngi ka ta ka lai phu tarik ulaber hajar phoi ka jingthung ya kini kisinti ka long shi benta ban wanra ka jingpen itanat biang ya ka mei mariang bat ki saudong sau kun jong ka bat ha ka jingkho jing suba ka khandai lat bat ha ka ni ka sngi ka dan lang ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills district ikong isawanda lalu.
I'm born in Robert Hospital, so I love Shillong and I want to do something for this.
Tell us something about this concept.
This concept, it is protecting, it's showing the symbolizing of protecting how we should protect our nature. So the two hands and a tree in the middle. So it speaks itself about its thing.
So what is the cost of this project?
Oh, this cost is nothing. All the shopkeepers have given me some donations here and there. This costed me around from Calcutta we got it made.
Okay.
It costed me around 30,000.
And what is the name of the plant?
This is a Japanese maple.
Japanese.
What does the hand signify?
It signifies to protect the environment. It protects you. See, we should protect our environment. That's
Made
very.
out of?
Huh?
What is it made out of?
It's made of acrylic.
Acrylic.
Yeah. And we've structured well because we have got a lot of flowers here also. You can see. And these flowers, we are getting worried. People are stealing the flowers. So I don't want them to steal. If they want, they can ask from me. Yeah. So I want all the shopkeepers to come forward, put their hand together. We made a pilot project down a little bit near Broadway. We have put flowers there and some lights. So we are sitting down with all the shopkeepers how to go ahead with the government. And government give us permission to put the lights. Then we can have a small advertisement in every lamp. Like someone can donate for his father, remembrance of my father, a lamp. Or shopkeeper can say this lamp is maintained by this shopkeeper, and we can go ahead. The whole city will be lighted up, and the government will not have to spend also. They have just give us a permission, and everyone they give an advertisement in the pole also. Like that we are working on. Let's try. What's wrong in trying? God give me the strength. I can continue. I'm trying my best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our people come by their own wish. We have a lot of people. We have people working with me. So in the break, they come and take care. So like that, we always try to clean our areas. Some of the areas we have a small van like that, for pickup, and we keep cleaning around wherever we find. Every day means 4 or 5 boys. They take watering and all these things, and once a week we go here and then clean.
Then what other?
We go to many localities and try wherever we find time. Like yesterday, we went to golfing. We did golfing, cleaning drive a little bit. A lot of people are joining hands together. I have seen localities are very clean. Only the problem is that the crowd which comes from outside, they litter and go. So we call it the moving crowds, They come and they litter and go. So I think in villages and other in the churches and temples, they should tell them when you go to Shillong, don't litter. Take a plastic bag, put your litter and come back. Somewhere education outside. Because when I see the Khandailat and all that, or Barabaja, it's quite dirty there. I think so. And even our local government should put fine for littering or something like that.